भाउजू यो घर मेरो पनि हो र यो घरमा म शरणार्थी भएर बसेको होइन तपाईले जे पाए त्यही भन्नु मिल्दैन यो घरमा जति तपाईको अधिकार छ त्यति मेरो पनि छ अब आइन्दा मुख सम्हालेर बोल्नुस् बुझ्नुभयो
आम्मै हेर हेर अझ कसरी भन्न सकेको यिनीहरुको रातो दिन चाकरीले सेवा गर्नुपर्ने मैले उल्टो मसला मुखमुखी लाइने
Sat Sri Akal and welcome to Punjabi COVID news in association with Punjabi training. Want to learn Punjabi? मैं Punjabi सीख चाहता है. You know, like learning is wanted by me. चाहता. So if we put up the diagram here, and we'll try to learn with you and the white people watching, because most of the white people want to watch the show, learn about COVID news. Now, all of a sudden, you're hearing, right? The COVID, the sickness, मैं बीमार है, I am sick, बीमार, or you could say बुखार, or you want to say I am sick today, मैं आज बीमार है. Now, people are talking on some news reports, most not because the coverage is like, PC. So basically, the news is like protective custody, so they don't tell too much about certain racial demographics. But recently, stories from Ontario, Brampton, my cousin Bobby, cousin Bomjeet, cousin Ruparjeet, cousin Darvinder, cousin Ferrari-jeet, all live in Brampton Northeast sectors. Northeast sector neighborhood, high presentation of COVID virus, very high, very high, बहुत उच्चा COVID peoples, like बहुत उच्चा, so hey, I'm sick, all very sick, okay, बहुत, वैसे बहुत ही बीमार. News peoples on CTV, Global News, Ontario, Global Punjabi News, Ontario Punjabi Hockey Channel, Channel 8, Punjabi News. People on these news saying people in the low income, certain racial demographics more susceptible. You got the black African peoples, Indonesian or indigenous people, and South Asian. Some people saying Southeast Asian. That's Vietnam War starting Charlie Sheen. Totally different. Not our people. You say you're crazy? Pagal. And I smack you and you say, Metinu Modnahan.
जसले दिन्छ दाम उसको गर्छु म काम इन्स्पेक्टर हमाल हो मेरो नाम.
We try to be nice, but there are people working at the factories, the chicken plants, farms, making the berries and the jams. My cousin Harpreet, he's there, she's there, whatever. Where was he? Then all of a sudden she's not like normal, but she wears the bandana, like the pink leotards, and is dancing and prancing and don't even acknowledge her anymore. But they're sick, spreading the COVID. High population, low density apartments. No, high density apartments. And you realize Brampton, Ontario, 19% in northeast sectors, bottom right sectors, 16%. All people testing COVID positive.
In Brampton and Peel region, we talk about 30% of the population being South Asian, but nearly 50% of the cases being South Asian.
And I got 23 people living in my basement suite, one bedroom. It's packed in there, buddy. Like India train going from Calcutta into Chandigarh, You want to get to a nice place in India, you got to come from an even dirtier place. That's the truth. Not lie. So you say, "Asi jhoot nahi bolde." So we not tell lies. We not speak lies. Like bolda, मैं Punjabi bolda. Like I am speaking Punjabi, or मैं Punjabi बोल सकता हूँ. Like I can speak Punjabi. Asi jhoot nahi bolde. Like we not speaking the lies. People all over the place, they're coughing, going to the parties and weddings and funerals.
आज पनि अन्तर्वार्ता दिन गएको होइन र अन्तर्वार्ता यो अन्तर्वार्ता भन्ने सुन्दा मेरो टाउकै दुखिसक्यो.
I have weddings like 4 times a week. It's more than the times you see Nicolas Cage in movies. There's so many of them. Sometimes I feel like my head is simply going to explode. Carlos, run the clip. Put it down.
Come on, buddy guy. Come on, buddy guy.
Say, hurry up, stupid. Like Daldi Murak, Sherti. And many India guys, they come over.
अरे दरवाजा खोलो.
क्या हो गया भाई?
Right? Country, they probably got the sickness. India got like millions of sick people. Millions. And now they come over and they have already even underlying conditions. They have meningitis, malaria, Ethiopia, all.
There is no specific information about race and the link to COVID in these Canada coronavirus disease COVID outbreak update. They need to inform people of this.
If you look at these statistics right here,
Link between race and COVID. Minorities in Canada more likely to have health conditions linked to COVID, twice as likely low income to and have no education conditions. Times as
and they have
likely.
underlying conditions based on study from Ontario College Chinese ferry guy.
Racialized and Indigenous Canadians are far more likely to have multiple medical conditions than other groups, and this places them at a much higher risk of severe implications from COVID.
Good morning, Marcia. Thanks for having me.
First of all, why did you want to do this study? What gave you the idea?
Yeah, so we know that COVID-19 outbreak is not affecting everyone at the same level. South Asian immigrant, Black immigrant, and Aboriginal Canadians are around 2 times more likely to have 3 or more medical health conditions. In addition, income and education, what I found is that these racialized groups with disadvantaged socioeconomic backgrounds are close to 4 times more likely to have 3 or more medical health conditions.
And that makes those people more vulnerable or more likely to get COVID.
Exactly.
He talks like, hey, okay, hey, how you doing? I am nice. I know the stuff I learned. I'm smart in China. Da 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 da. And he's nice. So they don't talk about racial demographics much, but all of a sudden it is minority guy. Plus he's, on the other team. So they have to be nice. It's like equality, because if they don't let him, then they're being hating to him. So his information now become valid. Very interesting to the white people. So your 1% average death rate changes, but your infection rate changes more. People like your Indonesians, your basketball players, and India guys, we have like underlying conditions like myocardic target heart disease. Here's where the study come from with the Chinese guy. We call them the Chini guys. That's how we say China. The Chini guys. Seriously. Toronto, new research suggesting the Black, that's like the basketball guys, South Asian, that's India guys, and of course Indonesian Canadians are more likely than whitey Canadians, hey, white guy, like you want to watch golf, VJ, we got VJ, hey VJ, what are you Fijian? That's like fake literally hideaway India guys, not even real India. They're like the literal Indias in the safe place. Far more likely these minorities to have the medical multiple conditions. So the medical multiple, macaroni conditions. Yeah. Study written by University of Toronto PhD student Shen Lin and published in the journal The Gerontologist. Compare past health data from 1,102 racialized immigrants, and 338 Indonesian Canadians, 23,802 white people born in Canada, ages 45 and up. Lynn wanted to find out if minority groups, COVID-19. They got the Canada conditions. Let's see, the prior conditions: diabetes, asthma, cancer, previous heart attack, or myocardial infarction, kidney disease, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and obesity. So if you're fat, you need to eat less macaroni and more salad, nice garden salad. You know, my garden, you have peas and tomatoes and couple pot plants, all legal now, you know. But smoking that stuff may not help. You have the prior cough, all of a sudden you're coughing more. Something is wrong with this weed. Why is it so strong? No, it's the COVID. You understand the mask to prevent the sickness. I walk into Walmart the other day, Punjabi guy's like, let's go to Bangra Bobby's house. And I'm like, no, hey, what you doing? You know, punch you, baby. And the stupid guy starts running with ninja swords and stuff, and they're chasing me and beating me and beating, and I'm like crying, hey, I'm sorry, you know, and like stupid bullies, like they got family members, and they're lucky they don't come to my place. I have cousins Sukhjinder, Balpinder, Faradijit, Sukhjinder, Jagpaul, Dongpaul, Jingpaul, Sukhjinder, three Sukhjinders. Who named these stupid kids? Go on train one time, I'm like, hey, I'm trying to meet this girl. I'm like, hey, Shirinjeet, and like 42 people, one car turning around. I'm like, oh no, running away, running. And this sickness is crazy. If you don't listen to me, you die. I promise. Everyone, well, you know, probably small percentage. Let's run some more video.
A groundbreaking national study reveals how the disease is hitting those communities, the Black communities, more severely than the rest of Canadian society.
Black Canadians are more likely than other Canadians to seek treatment and be hospitalized. 21% of Black Canadians reported knowing someone who died from the virus, versus 8% of Canadians on average.
I'm very upset because a little kid and the people don't care.
Jag Flora is a resident of Northeast Brampton. He's seen it all when it comes to COVID-19 rule breakers.
They don't wear a mask properly, especially when I go to the store, when they're talking something, they go like this.
BC's South Asian community is being impacted by COVID-19 at higher rates than others. That, according to Dr. Bonnie Henry, who says it's mainly due to weddings and celebration of life events. But she notes gatherings are not the only contributing factors. Dr. Henry, speaking to Omni News, says many people in the South Asian community live in Surrey and areas around there, and also own and work in many of the essential businesses that have kept our province going.
You see that video? Like, oh my god, the statistics, basketball players not able to jump anymore, their heart is going, and all of a sudden, oh, the contract, I want to be like, you know, Allen Iverson and make the rap CD, swearing and cursing and gang member violence. Well, I hope you all are doing, you know, better. You listen now. If you don't listen, then somebody going to get COVID real bad.